stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.
I think I just came.
On this beat, had to go and get it in. Knock on your door, baby come and let me in. I'm here to ride it out, so baby settle in. I'll be your remedy, call me your medicine. That's right, your doctor, yeah, have a little sip of this vodka. Let's get to the physical part of this examination, call me your proctor. So finish on time, she finished whenever you need. Turning you out while you're turning me on. Better than ever, you better believe, yes. Tryna go for broke, too much love, call an overdose. Jay Holiday put you to bed, then I'm gonna leave you comatose, yeah. Take a walk with me, lean with it and rock with me. Watch, you give me the rhythm, bitch, I don't need no beat. But I'ma go fucking crazy. Go ahead, let me off the leash, I'ma rip the sheets, I'ma make you scream, so hop on top, it's kinda strip for me. I'ma hit it from the back like a Tiffany, in my symphony, with no sympathy, you ain't in for me. You just wanna be a part of it when these fucking dudes make hits.
Herzlich willkommen im Treckodrom Dornstedt. Der dritte Lauf der offenen Klasse der Kloppis. Auf dem ersten Platz Lukas Hemmersbach, auf dem zweiten Platz unser Marky Geller, auf dem dritten der Nils Mutra, auf dem vierten der Gröning, auf dem fünften Platz unser Toni Schmidt, auf der 6 der Kai Pape, auf der 7 der Frankie Liebert, fährt jetzt für GM, sein Trecker ist leider defekt. Ja okay, den Rest kann ich euch nie mehr erzählen, die wissen wir alle nicht.
I just wanna hear you scream like a horror flick. It should stop now, but I want more of it. And I don't know who's good or bad, but I want you bad, I'm sure of it. Staying in bed for the whole day, she waving at me like Olay. We had that fire sex, so we stopped, dropped, but we role play. She dressed up, well I'm messed up. Anytime you want it, just text up, and I'll be there whenever you need me. But there's something I wanna confess, love, I'm glad you came. And baby, I'm glad you came, cause I love it when you feel no pain, while I be numbing your body like Novocaine. So be easy, just lie back, and we gon' do it big like IMAX, on the edge you can see. So baby, you better be getting ready for the climax, like
Sun goes down, stars come out, and all that comes is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came.
I'm in the club like who she? She come and stare like who me? Her name tag says Kristen, but across that ass say Juicy. She sees whip, it got 2 seat. She dreaming all about Gucci, and she licking me like a lollipop. Must be listening to that Tunchi. Looking like she like it rough and sweat. She not a groupie, she a hostess, baby. That stuff, now we kicking it like Bruce Lee. She dove in head first, said I'm greatness like 2-3. Said she used to get those straight A's till I gave her all that smooth D.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you
I think
came.
I just came.